live on Adom TV and live on your radio. This is Adom 106.3 and this is Asempa 94.7. If you are in Kumasi, you are probably enjoying us through our sister station Shira 104.5 FM and of course on CK 89.5. Your studio guest, Dr. Kwame Asamoah, Senior Lecturer, University of Ghana Business School, and our face is Yewura Benjamin Ochere, and so a lecturer at the Management Department, now Chartered Central University, no more a college. And honor a studio guest, I knew Dean Komo Fia. Now, I can say we are live also on ABN Radio, our London, Brochimem, and Koma Air Kosoho. Now, I have to say, Nanado Akasa, na Yeba Kuti and Sema Nanasa Kabim, say if it is different from what he told us, Nra. Bravo Kasa and Nana. Dibato say visuals on any audio na radio. Many Kuti and Akufo Addo.
That, of course, I mean, is first of all a matter for President Mahama. But I know him a little, and I believe that he's a Ghanaian patriot. He's an honorable man, and if he sees that he has lost, I believe he's the sort of person who will do the right thing and make sure that whatever tensions and anxieties there are in the system are assuaged. We're in a very tricky moment, as always in this electoral cycle, close to the decision, but still some uncertainty as to the outcome. And it's important that all of us behave well. Our supporters, the general public, especially the leaders of the country. The responsibilities on him are big ones, but I believe that he is capable of meeting those responsibilities and working to bring our country together and ensuring the peace and stability of our nation. The John Mahama that I know is somebody I believe is capable of rising to the occasion. That, of course, I mean, is...
Well, the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, Nana Addo Akufo Addo, Nipa no ya projected here at Multimedia Election Headquarters. We believe, looking at all the numbers, any reports from our various reporters scattered all over the 275 constituencies, So I anyway ni AGD say wedding kunimu afia batom. Nana Addo nkasa no nia all can say onu de onimo mampani Mahama ye kakra. Odumni kakra fine. What do you say? I know he's an honorable man. Na so obejia tumu awonyi ntumuntem na save all of us the anxiety we are going through. In Tietia no asema Nana Addo Akufo Addo e de bae no.